sense, low flow, and will hit the pump. Pump potential damage, potential pump number is correct. FCV number, what is FCV number?
1003. This is the 1001-03. The bypass, huh? لا ده على الشارج برضه. Yes,
Okay,
this is على الشارج.
Correct.
Okay.
Is it okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is PSDH will trip the intermediate pump? What is PSDH at pump discharge? PSDH. This PSDH, right? 1173. 1001-73. And suction will trip the intermediate pump in case of high. This is suction. One is suction, one is discharge. Suction is 1171. 1171, correct. So this is okay. Correct. The last is PSDH. This PSDH is where? This is the function, main common line.
It's a discharge, yes.
This is main common line, right?
Yes, 1011-05.
05, okay.
As a discharge.
Yeah, correct.
Instead of suction, discharge.
Yes. At pump suction, yes, pump suction, yes.
No, discharge. Yeah.
It's a discharge?
The IB is different. Put it voting in the discharge header, not in suction.
Will sense high discharge pressure, right?
Discharge, yes.
Here also discharge, correct?
Yeah, discharge, yes.
Correct. Okay. This is okay. This is BPCS, correct. What is PT number?
Is the discharge
Pump suction.
the كان common discharge هندسة
1000-71. Pump suction.
Pump suction, yeah. Can review in the session, يعني can review the of this.
This is correct. Okay, so I think we have to change the tag number of this one. You have to